Record on this. Hello guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 217 contains duplicate. So let's read the problem. Given an array, integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. Okay, so let's see the examples. So here numbers 1, 2, 3, 1. We should return true because 1 appears 2 times at least. In example 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, we should return false because every element is distinct. In example 3, we should return true because 1 appears multiple times, 2 appears multiple times, 3 and 4 also appear multiple times. Okay, so what I'm thinking of a strategy in which we can use set and then we iterate over this array and add element into the set and check if element is already present in the set. If it is there, then we will return true. So let's code it down. So we will have this nums set. Now let's iterate over the array and let's see if n is already present in num set. Will return true. Otherwise, what we will do, return false if every element is distinct. Let's see and run the code. So all the test cases are passed. We are hitting submit and see. So submission is successful and our algorithm is working fine. The time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of n also. So I hope you understood the logic and the solution. Please like and subscribe my channel and video. Thank you.